This full moon in Aquarius is such an exciting time for all of the 12 rising signs. This full moon is all about breaking away from the old pattern, the routines, and embracing your individuality. Aquarius is a sign that values independence, innovation, and even progress. So, this full moon in Aquarius, you need to accept all the changes that are going to be happening in your life. Allow them in freely to flow to you because change is good. Change can be scary. Change is good. So now let me tell you what you should do based on your rising sign. A little suggestion, if you may. If you want to know, stick around. For Aries rising, this is the perfect time for you to focus on your friendships and on your connections. You may even get inspired to join a new community, any kind of community or group that is aligned with your values. If you are a Taurus rising, then you need to focus on your career and your goals, your professional goals, and try to align with those goals that you want. And consider making changes that align with your passions. Now, if you are a Gemini rising, you might feel pulled to travel, to exploring adventures. So if this is you, take the leap and go and explore new places, new towns, literally fly somewhere and have an adventure. If you are a Cancer rising, then you need to focus on your relationships. If you have toxic people around you, toxic relationship, toxic connections, let them go. You don't need that. Let the toxicity go so you can make room for healthy and amazingly beautiful connections. You deserve that. Now, if you are a Leo rising, then you need to focus on your well-being and your health. So if you are inspired to try new routines, new health hacks, new exercises, new ways of eating, and new ways of living your life so you can better take care of you, then go for it. This is your call. Now, if you are a Virgo rising, then take this time to focus on your passion. Be more creative. Take on a new hobby. That hobby that you've been thinking about trying, try it. Go for it. You never know what can happen. Be creative and try new artistic things. If you are a Libra rising, then you need to focus on your home and your family life. You might get inspired on changing things up when it's with your family, with the way that you're living, the way that you live or where you live, possibly anything that has to do with your home and your family. If you are a Scorpio rising, then you need to focus on your communication skills. You need to make you need to have that conversation with that person. You need, even if it's tough, even if it's hard, even if it's a topic that's taboo, you need to have that conversation for your self development, for your spiritual involvement, whatever kind of conversation it is that you need to have. You need to have it for whatever reason. Hard talks need to be done. If you are a Sagittarius rising, then you need to focus on your investments, on your income, on your finances. So make some changes to your budget, to your investments, how much money you're bringing in. Take a look at that. If you are a Capricorn rising, you need to focus on your self-care and your emotional well-being. This means prioritize resting and you focus on you and what you need. Ask yourself, what do I need right now? And do it for yourself. Aquarius rising, you are going to feel the most affected on this full moon in Aquarius because it's a big one. So focus on your identity and pursuing your passions. Now, the last one is Pisces rising, and you need to focus on your spirituality and your growth, your inner growth. So, explore meditation if you haven't, or explore any other ideas that can help you tune into yourself and listen to you, who you are deep down inside. Any new forms so you can find a way to self-reflect. Anyways, overall, this full moon in Aquarius is such an amazing time for you to explore your individuality and just be you. And to not forget about your passions because they're a passion for a reason. They're not just all games and stuff, they're there for a reason. So use this energy to break free from old patterns that do not serve you and make room for new things so they can come. So get out there and embrace the new possibilities that await you.